Hey guys, if you're planning to go to Fukuoka, Japan soon, I'm sure isa sa mga una nyong iniisip is saan ba pwede magstay. So, if you're looking for a hotel na malapit sa train station, may nearby convenience stores and restaurants, at syempre malinis at spacious ang room, then watch this video until the end kasi I'll be sharing our personal experience kung saan kami nagstay during our trip to Fukuoka. But before that, quick plug lang, kung mag-book kayo ng hotels, activities, tours, or anything sa Klook, you can use my Klook code KATIPIKLOOK para magkaroon kayo ng discounts. During our stay sa Fukuoka, we chose to stay in the Tenjin area. Ito yung main hub ng city when it comes to shopping, dining, and nightlife. Ang daming department stores, boutiques, and restaurants dito. So, if gusto nyo ma-experience yung city life ng Fukuoka, this is the perfect place. Plus, it's a great base kung mag-explore pa kayo sa ibang parts of the city. We stayed at Koko Hotel Tenjin, Fukuoka. Super convenient ng location. Paglabas mo ng hotel, andyan na agad yung mga kainan, convenience stores, drugstores, at shopping spots. Malapit din yung Don Quixote na perfect for pasalubong shopping. May bus stop din sa tapat mismo ng hotel and around 5 minutes walk lang papunta sa train station. Now, let me show you our room. Ang binook namin ay standard double room and for us, spacious na siya. Maayos, malinis, and complete na din sa gamit. May big mirror, TV, mini ref, blower, cups, electric kettle, at syempre may double size na bed. Tapos may malaking window which gives us natural light and maganda siya sa morning. Sa CR, okay din yung size. Very clean and no unwanted smell. May washlet, hot and cold shower, at complete toiletries na rin. May body wash, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, and towels. Sa lobby naman sa baba, mayroon ding area kung saan pwede kang kumuha ng refills na essentials. May free coffee, sugar, at iba pang basic needs. So, complete na talaga. We booked this hotel through Klook, super dali lang and hassle-free. I'll put the link in the comment section or description box if you also want to book Koko Hotel Tenjin Fukuoka via Klook. And also, don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPIKLOOK para makakuha pa kayo ng discounts dyan. And that's it. If may questions kayo, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Ayun lang, thanks for watching. Babush!